As scientists, we learn a lot in the classroom and in the lab. This study allows us to use what we know to help the community.
We were looking for a project where we could really make an impact close by the school, in the community, and there was this need on the Calcallan River where there's been issues for years that people have reported, algae, bacteria, and so on. There's an effort to restore the river, and they needed data. And so the need and our desire to do some more met, and we talked to some people who were also working on the river, and that's how it all came together. We put our skills together with the people that needed it.
College hasn't been the way I pictured it at all, and my time in Saginaw Valley, I've done way more outside of class work on projects that I find interesting and projects that I'm personally involved in than anything that I had ever pictured.
Well, we're doing this in order to see what's going on with the river. There's been some high algae growth in the past, and that could be leading to eutrophication of the river, which we want to stop from happening if we can. Eutrophication occurs when there are high nutrients in a water system that allows lots of algae and bacteria growth to occur, and essentially the river can be completely covered with algae if it gets to a certain point. It would suffocate the river.
We're also worried about the bacteria levels, so we're testing that to see what's going on with that, see if it's a one-time thing or if it's progression.
We are checking a bunch of different water quality parameters, bacteria, phosphates, dissolved oxygen, nitrates, ammonia, water temperature, a lot of different parameters to see what's actually going on in the water chemistry on the river.
We were initially funded by the GLSEN program from the National Center for Science and Civic Engagement. This spring we went to a conference and they cited our project as one of the GLSEN projects that should be a national example for these types of community collaborations.
I'm not from this area originally, but I've grown to love it while going to school up here, and it's nice to be able to work on something that can eventually impact the community for the better.